Yeah.
Are you? You guys got salad.
What about you? One?
Oh, okay.
Una para nosotros.
Which way we going? That way?
I want a hamburger.
¿Tú crees? Or down there?
Unos chicken, ¿cómo se llama? Chicken strips.
¿Tú crees or down there, babe?
Huh?
Right here or down there?
No, allá abajo no. Oh, ya están todos los... What are they called?
The Boy
No,
Scouts?
watermelon.
Oh.
They,
Hey,
I
butterfly.
think we're going up.
hey,
No, we're not down.
you're going wrong.
Oh my god. I'm going through the poison oak. Oh, there's more down there.
Yeah, the creek.
Oh, your head.
Hey.
We're all going to be fucked. Well, fine pictures are going to get messed up.
I almost did. I hurt my shoulder right now.
I
He just told you.
told you.
I know. You almost made me fall over.
We just literally told you.
Here, I'll take the water down behind.
The fucking jungle. I recorded that shit too. We came through this way right there last time. Fuck no, we wouldn't.
I'll be dead the first night. Huh? I'll be dead the first
¿Y
night.
ahora?
Huh?
¿Para arriba?
Hasta arriba.
¿Hasta arriba?
Uh-huh. Oi? No, this way?
Yeah.
We got lost last time, huh? Trying to go down.
We gotta make it to the Appalachian Trails now.
Where the hell's that at?
Huh?
Appalachian Trails. That's Tennessee.
Appalachian Trails.
Yeah, that fucking breathing heavy, fella.
Oh, yes.
That cold water felt good.
It did. It did. It brought you back to life.
Cute little babbling creek.
Oh, I forgot to bring the trash. Mucha gente cochina. No, ya no.
I'm just gonna go see. I know. I know.
No, you'll be fine now. So what happens if you get poison ivy?
Huh?
You,
It's poison oak.
you can,
You
what
die?
happens? Yeah. It hurts a lot.
I think I need to get it.
Hey.
We can sneak into that one.
Oh, no, I think that one does too.
Oh, no, because my body's all filled this shit.
Another nice little babbling creek with trash. Hi. Hi, perra. Ay, estúpida, this short scared me. These shorts.
Oh.
I felt like something touched me. Gave me the chills.
¿Dónde está la panza? No. ¿Es esa, no?
No,
¿Dónde está?
it's 3 leaves. And it looks like an oak tree.
Ya. ¿Dónde está?
Whew, Lord. I did it. I accomplished another thing off my list. You know what? You're right. I do need I got no upper body strength.
Mm-mm. You do not use your upper body.
I got weak, you know, even my wrist.
Your upper arm strength.
Poor. Pack it in, pack it out. Please pack out all trash. What does that mean?
Take
Just
all
take
your
your-
shit with you.
Take your shit.
Your trash too. So amazing.
You go to the waterfall?
Yes,
Absolutely.
Yes.
How far?
Like a 5-minute hike.
Like maybe 5 minutes.